Hello everyone, welcome to I Train Kids. I am Noor, your trainer for today. I'm going to introduce to you about robotic course. In this course, you will be exposed on how to build your own robots and simple programming language that develops creativity, collaboration, and problem solving in an immersive learning environment. You will learn on how to identify various electronic components and understand the concepts of each and every components that you will be encountered. This course consists of 3 modules that will be focusing on different age ranges of students. First module, which is module 1, will be focusing on student age 3 to 6 years old. We will be using microbit to learn and explore the computational thinking activity that are fundamentals in learning about robots. The websites that we will be used is MakeCode and Scratch. There will be interactive board games as well that are provided to tackle your skills in moving the robots. Next, Module 2 for students age 7 to 12 years old. You will be introduced to a new motherboard, which is Arduino Uno. To simulate the movement of your robot, we will use TinkerCAD website. We're also going to learn on how to write a program that will make our robot to move whenever it receives a command. Module 3 will be focused on students aged 12 to 17 years old. It is a transition from Module 2 where you are going to build your own interface, or in other words, your own controller using MIT App Inventor. This is where you are going to test out your creativity in designing your own robot's interface. Today, I am going to show you about a project that uses Arduino Uno. Firstly, we are going to do the simulation part for this course. As you can see here, this is the TinkerCAD website, and here in the work plane there is battery, Arduino Uno, HD driver, H-bridge motor driver, and one hobby gear motor. In real life, this is H-bridge motor driver, Arduino Uno, and gear motor. So here, you go to search bar and find one more gear motor and drag it onto the work plane and rotate it so it can be the same as the ones that is already given to you here. Now, for the wiring pipe, you can just go to the pins that are on the motor and the pins that are on the H-bridge motor driver. Okay, now let's start wiring. Find output 3 pins on H-bridge motor driver and connect it to negative terminal of the gear motor. There you go. And then here you can change the color of the gear motor. I will use blue color. Next, input 3. Input 3 will be connected to pin 11 on Arduino Uno. Then you can adjust it so that you can look more tidy on your simulation. Okay, next, output 4 to positive terminal of gear motor. We are going to use the same color of wire and connect it to positive terminal. And lastly, input 4 to pin 10 on Arduino Uno. That you have completed the wiring pipe for the simulation of your robot. Now let's see on the code. Here you are going to learn on how to write this whole program, and for now I'm going to show you the simulation part. To start the simulation, here you can click on this start simulation button and click it. Wait for it to initialize. Alright, once it is done initialize, you can start simulate your robot. Here you can click on serial motor to give command. As you can see here in our program, we have set F letter would be both gear motor move. So if we put F here, capital F, and you can see on the work plane the motor will move, both motor. Next, B for backward. Send B on serial monitor, and your gear motor will simulate the movement, the backward movement. Next, L. L, we said that only one of the gear motor move. So it means here the motor will move and indicates the robot will turn to the left. And R, which is right, one of the gear motor will move and indicates the robot will turn to the right. This robot will move. That is for the software part. For your information, this project actually a simulation for this robot car. Now I'm going to show you how to wire this robot in real life. Now for the hardware part, we are going to complete the system of this robot connecting these jumper wires according to the simulation that we have done before. So this jumper wire is called male to female jumper wire. We are going to use two colors of jumper wires. First, we are going to connect the blue jumper wire for input 1 and input 2. Here on the H-bridge motor driver, connect the female part to the H-bridge motor driver, input 1 and input 2. Okay. First, input 1 will be connected to pin 6 on Arduino Uno, which is here, pin 6. And input 2 will be connected to pin 7. So this blue jumper wires will be one of the gear motor, maybe one for the gear motor. Next, for purple jumper wire, the same step, connect the female part to H-bridge motor driver, which is input 3, and lastly input 4. Alright, so input 3 will be connected to pin 11 on Arduino Uno, and input 4 will be connected to pin 10. Now that we have completed the whole system of this robot car, we can test it out by controlling the robot using the apps that you will learn on how to create using MIT App Inventor during Module 3. Now, you might be wondering how this robot car and this app are connected. Here, this is the Bluetooth module that acts as connector that receive and send signals from the apps to the robot car. We have attached Bluetooth module here. Okay, let's test it out, shall we? First, press start on MIT app, and don't forget to switch on your robot car. As you can see here, Bluetooth module is blinking. This means that the Bluetooth module is not connected yet to the app. So click on Bluetooth icon here and choose the name of this Bluetooth. So this is the name of Bluetooth module that we are using today. Okay, when it stops blinking, that means your robot are ready to go. First, let's give forward command to your robot and we can press play. And you can see now the robot is moving according to the command that we have given in the MIT App Inventor. So that is all for robotic course. Till next time. Bye!